Memories we made under the summer sun.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about this Spigen ArcField 3-in-1 wireless charger, the MagFit Plus. As usual, I'm in love with this Spigen MagFit Plus because like all the other Spigen products, this MagFit Plus also has a very sturdy build quality, looks great. It has a nice outlook and appearance, but I'm not in love with this MagFit Plus for the aesthetics. I'm in love with this MagFit Plus because as usual, it comes with a lot of trademarked Spigen technologies which other brands are simply unable to provide. It performs like a monster, and again, like many other Spigen products, it over-delivers. Well, without further ado, let's start from unboxing. My girlfriend Thea has done the unboxing, and then we'll talk about outlook, appearance, build quality, special features, charging speed, and my personal real-life usage experience. But before everything, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Spigen ArcField 3-in-1 wireless charger is an innovative gadget that's here to declutter our charging life. With its sleek design, it easily fits into our home or office setup without shouting, "Look at me!" The compact size means it won't hog all the space on our desks or nightstands. We all love that, right? It comes with a premium braided USB-C to USB-C cable that screams durability and gives off a quality vibe. The soft matte finish isn't just eye candy, it also keeps our devices from slipping and sliding around. Think of it as a tiny, elegant butler holding our tech with grace while ensuring they don't take a nosedive. Spigen, you have nailed it. Now let's dive into the bells and whistles of the Spigen ArcField 3-in-1 wireless charger. This charger has more features than a Swiss Army knife. First, AirBoost trademark technology. It's like having a personal assistant that optimizes charging based on our device's power needs, ensuring the perfect charge every time. Then there is overheat protection, which keeps things cool by managing the heat between the coil and our devices. With intelligent safety, we are protected against overheating, overcharging, and even the dreaded short circuits. The Duraband construction adds a layer of toughness to withstand daily use. And let's not forget the MagSafe compatibility, perfect for all our favorite MagSafe accessories. Plus, the 24-month hassle-free warranty. It's like Spigen saying, "We have got your back." Who knew charging could be so exciting? Yeah, I know I'm a bit too excited because after 2 and 3 years of using so many different 3-in-1 wireless chargers, finally I've got the one that doesn't need a lot of space yet provides the best performance. Okay, the Spigen ArcField 3-in-1 wireless charger is like the superhero of chargers. It supports wireless charging for our iPhones at a speedy 15 watt, so we are not stuck waiting for our devices to power up. The Apple Watch charging pad delivers a steady 5 watt output, ensuring our watches are charged and ready to track our steps or lack thereof. The Qi certified pad for our AirPods gives us the convenience we crave, charging them quickly and efficiently. And the included 30 watt wall adapter, it's powerful enough to support all three devices simultaneously, turning our setup into a charging powerhouse. When the AirBoost trademark technology kicks in, it helps to adjust charging speeds based on each device's needs. So we are always getting the best performance. Whether we are charging an iPhone, Apple Watch, or AirPods, the ArcField ensures efficient power delivery without compromising speed. This isn't just a charger, it's our tech's best friend, always ready to provide a quick energy boost without breaking a sweat. Sometimes I feel like if only it could make us coffee too. I'm joking, it's already over delivering. Me and Thea, my girlfriend, Our time with the Spigen ArcField 3-in-1 wireless charger has been nothing short of magical. It takes the chaos out of charging, letting us charge our iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once. No more fighting with tangled cables. The safety features make sure our precious gadgets aren't subjected to any charging misadventures, so we can kick back and relax. Plus, its MagSafe compatibility means we can use all our nifty MagSafe accessories without a hitch. Overall, the ArcField is a game changer for anyone looking to simplify their setup with style and efficiency. We are talking about a charger that not only looks good but also delivers on performance. It's the ultimate sidekick for all our Apple gear, proving that charging doesn't have to be a drag. Who knew a little charger could bring so much joy to our tech lives? Yeah, me and Tia, we both are in love with this Spigen ArcField 3-in-1 wireless charger, the MagFit Plus. So we thought that we should share our excitement with our regular viewers and the subscribers. I have left a link in the description box below, but as usual, you don't have to buy from my link because I don't believe in any affiliation. I'm not here to promote a gadget. I'm here to share my honest opinion. If you wanna buy a Spigen ArcField 3-in-1 wireless charger, the MagFit Plus, you can buy it from anywhere. I have bought it from Amazon, so well, that's why I have left the link in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product, but before that, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.